In Mathcad Prime 11, you can now control the display of the borders around the different regions on your worksheet. And this really helps with the documentation part of creating your worksheets because it helps you draw someone's attention to different areas that you want them to look at. So for example, here on my worksheet, I have some text regions. And so one way that you can do it is you can swipe a box over the different regions and then hold down the right mouse button. There's a new command in the pop-up menu for showing the border. I will click on it and let me deselect those different regions. So now you can see a box around it. Let me scroll down on my worksheet to a math region that I want to draw attention to. So I'll click on this one. You can also go to the Document tab, and here is the Show Border command. Let me click on it and then deselect, and you can see a box around it. This also works with the different regions inside of a solve block. And the solve block, you'll note, has a region around it permanently, or a displayed region around it permanently. So one way that you can do it is you can click inside of the solve block and then use Control A to select all of the different regions, and then we can show the border. Let me deselect, and you can see the borders around them. And once again, I can select all of them and then use Control A. If you don't want to see a border, well, you can see that the Show Border command is depressed. So I will click on it and then deselect, and now we don't have a border around anything. You can also use this with a single individual region. For example, I can select this one region inside of the solve block and then show its border, and it has a box around it. And this also works with your different plots. Let me scroll down on my worksheet. So here I have an XY plot, and so I can click on it and then show its border, and then when I deselect it, you can see the border around my XY plot. So there you have it. That is the new control of the borders around regions in Mathcad Prime 11.